Mace, the flavor that will make you question everything you thought you knew about spices. Ever feel like your spice rack is just blah? Like it's missing that certain je ne sais quoi? Prepare to have your culinary world rocked, because today, we're diving deep into the enigmatic, the alluring, the downright delicious world of mace. Mace isn't just some medieval weapon, though, wouldn't that be cool? It's the lacy outer covering of the nutmeg seed. Think of it as nutmeg's flamboyant, slightly rebellious cousin. Nutmeg and mace come from the same fruit, but they offer distinct flavor profiles. It's like having twins, one's a bit reserved, the other's ready to party. Nutmeg is warm, cozy, and comforting. Think pumpkin spice lattes and grandma's apple pie. Mace, on the other hand, is more delicate, with a subtle peppery bite. Mace has brighter, more vibrant notes. Some even describe it as having a hint of citrus. It's the spice that whispers secrets instead of shouting them. Mace has a history as rich and complex as its flavor. It was once so valuable, it was practically currency. Imagine paying your rent in mace. During the spice trade, wars were fought over control of the nutmeg and mace supply. People went absolutely bonkers for this stuff. It was the original Game of Thrones, but with more baking. Mace is incredibly versatile. It can elevate both sweet and savory dishes. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try adding a pinch of mace to your bechamel sauce for a creamy, nutty depth. It's a game changer for mac and cheese. Mace also shines in baked goods. It adds a warm, aromatic complexity to cakes, cookies, and muffins. Think of it as the secret ingredient that makes everyone say, "Wow, what's in this?" Seriously though, mace is a spice worth exploring. It's unique, flavorful, and adds a touch of sophistication to any dish. It's the culinary equivalent of wearing a velvet smoking jacket. Don't be intimidated. Start small, experiment, and discover your own mace magic. Your taste buds will thank you. Look for whole mace blades if you can find them. They retain their flavor longer. You can grind them yourself with a spice grinder or mortar and pestle. Store your mace in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. This will help preserve its flavor and aroma. Treat it like the precious spice it is. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of mace? Head to your local spice shop or order some online. Start experimenting. Share your mace-infused creations with us in the comments below. We want to see what culinary masterpieces you come up with. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more spice adventures. Let's get cooking.